I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're down at the Sunflower Fest. It's really loud and there are tons of people. So we've been down here for a while and I haven't put my camera out yet. Did you just drink my water? Mm-hmm. Jerk. Anyway, we're walking around. Gonna get food in a little bit. Can't show you all that much because there is some music playing down at the end. But here, I'll give you a little montage of what's happening. Cue the montage. That is a giant knitted donut. I want it so bad, but it's $300. It's literally like 2 feet across. I want it so bad. Just thought I would show you how amazing it is. Finally found the goggles. I need to pick a pair that's going to protect me. I came to a sports store and I finally found them. I'll let you know which ones I get because I've got a lot of research to do. Just got out. I found the goggles I needed. And they even have a GoPro mount, which is super cool. I don't know if I'll be using the GoPro mount, but it gives me the opportunity. And I can definitely use it in the future, which will be fun, more GoPro footage for you. So, things are starting to get real. I'm super excited. Guys, I never knew, but my car has a Hershey bar holder. Oh. Yes, but you might not want to keep a Hershey bar in there during the summer. I just realized that. It's so soft. Okay, into the house and into the freezer it goes. But I just thought I'd want to let you know. Look, perfect little Hershey bar holder. Doesn't get any better than that, folks. So, I'm sitting in my house. It's been a while. Do you have something to say? Come here. Oh my gosh. Woof. Started talking to my camera and he just starts barking. No! I deal with this every day. Anyway, came inside. I've been inside for maybe an hour. And I just realized that I never brought that Hershey bar in for my car, so it's probably just sitting in there melting. It'll be fine. I'll bring it in tomorrow or whenever I get back to my car. But right now it's probably in there being all soft and mushy and melty, and I can't do anything about it. And I'm not about to go out to my car, so it is what it is. Just thought I'd let you guys know that because I just realized that, and I was like, well then. So yeah, I think my parents are getting ready, and then we're gonna go out to dinner. And yeah, both my sisters are gone, so it's just the 3 of us. So we're gonna eat a lot of chips. My parents and I went to dinner at Hacienda. Pretty good. Then we just came home and relaxed for a while. My mom and I watched some TV, and my dad did some stuff for our church, and now it is time for bed. It is really, really late. It's like 1:20 in the morning, and I need to get to bed because I need to wake up semi-half, kinda a little bit early in the morning. So I gotta get to sleeping. So I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.